Hi, and welcome to another episode of Closer Look, the Teardown video. That's right, I'm going to be tearing down this Lightning Jet from the Ninjago movie. Originally, it was on display on my shelf with some other Lego pieces and a few other things because it doesn't fit in the box. I have no sentimental value for this kit. It's not a Star Wars kit I've always wanted or anything particularly awesome. It looks very cool, don't get me wrong, but I don't have any attachment to it. So it doesn't fit in its box, so I couldn't just take off the sides, shove it in there, and send it out. I mean, I might be able to eventually break it down into a way that could have been shipped to someone, one of the subscribers, because I do my monthly giveaway. But this just wasn't cutting it. So instead, I'm going to just tear it down piece by piece using my brick separator, which you can see there or here, and just kind of take this all apart and put it back in the box it came in, and that'll be it. And I'll still keep it, and maybe one day I'll do that, build it back. But I also have never done a like a speed up footage thing, and so I want to experiment with that. So you're gonna hear some royalty-free music I got off YouTube, and you're gonna see this build, and that'll be that. So yeah, enjoy. I'm gonna take these off because you don't need to see. Well, you can see me work, but you don't need to hear me because I'm not gonna talk. Uh, Closer looks are a variety of things. Please subscribe to youtube.com/patbear. Subscribe to twitch.tv/patbear. This was bought with my money, and you can buy kits for me to build on the stream. And check the show description on YouTube. Thanks very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of this.